Hi, good day, ma'am. How are you?
Good, and you?
I'm okay. My name is Marcel. How can we help you today?
I'm looking at buying the Haval Jolien.
Oh, Julian. You know
Yes.
what speak you're looking at?
No. Is there someone that can maybe show me
Yes,
around
of
the vehicle?
course. I'll take you through to one of my salespeople. I'll give you over to Charlton if I'm correct. He's
Okay.
available because I
Thank
know
you.
the others are busy invoicing at the moment.
Okay.
All right,
Not a
let's go
problem.
through.
Hello.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
Good, and you?
Good. My name is Charlton.
Nice to meet you.
How can I assist you today, ma'am?
I'm interested in the Haval Jolien.
Haval Jolien.
Yes.
What range are you looking for?
I'm not.
Preferable
I haven't
manual
done
or
much-
automatic?
Manual is fine. I
Manual?
haven't done much research, so if you can maybe show me around what you've got.
I have a manual sitting over here. Let me walk you through it.
Okay.
You can come through with me.
Perfect.
Good. So basically, I'll start with the outside.
Okay.
So before I even go inside, since I said it's a manual, so I can tell with my alloy rims that this is the high spec on the manual, and it
Okay.
also has a sunroof.
Oh, that's nice.
All right, so I'll walk you
Yeah.
around the vehicle. So basically, being a lady buyer, I know you love the boot space. So with your boot
Yes.
space, we're currently looking at 300 liters of boot space. Once folded, we get about 1,640 boot space. All right.
Yeah.
And your ground clearance, I'm just gonna touch that before we even go on the inside. We're looking at about 168 millimeters of ground clearance. So you're able enough to drive through in dusty roads in the bush. You have enough ground clearance.
Okay.
All right.
I see it doesn't have a tow bar.
So basically with the tow bar, that comes as an extra accessory.
Okay.
Yes, so basically it's a good thing to have a tow bar because it's also protects on the back, like guys coming from behind and all that stuff.
Yes, yes.
And regarding the towing capacity, we're looking at 1.5 tons that can be towed with the Jolien.
Okay.
Yes. All right.
It's a very nice looking car. I love the look of it.
No, thanks.
It's stylish, sportage. It's got a mix.
So basically, this is my favorite color as well. The gray
Okay.
color, it sits well with your black rims.
Yeah.
So it complements the whole body. Okay, can I take you on the inside of the car?
Yes, please.
You can be on the driver's and then
Okay.
I'll be at the back. All right, so
Wow. Leather seats.
So basically, this is the synthetic leather. It's not the original leather, but we've had some researchers saying the synthetic leather, it doesn't crack compared to the original leather.
Yeah.
So 5-year warranty that comes with the car. So basically, your leather won't easily tear or
Yeah.
fade. All right, and what we're looking at here, this is what we call the cabin. I'll start with the multimedia. This is a 10.5 multimedia screen.
Yeah.
So basically what you get on your 10 multimedia screen, everything projects on the screen. So your car radio and all your favorite radio stations, you are easily to access everything while you change all your stations or your volume on the steering there. It's actually easy to operate. No need for you to stretch your hand.
Yeah.
You can actually just have everything on your steering there. We also looking at Android and Apple CarPlay. They come standard, so you need to have your cable to connect so you can access your phone there for Google Maps and all that stuff and your Waze.
Oh, it doesn't connect with Bluetooth.
Bluetooth connectivity
Oh,
comes
okay.
standard,
Oh,
but if you want your maps projecting on there, you need to have your cable. But
Yeah.
the good thing about the future is that they are working on a wireless connection, so hopefully it will come in handy in the near future. Yes.
Okay.
So it's a 6 manual speed,
Nice. It's very spacious.
very spacious.
I love the space
No thanks. I
and
appreciate
the look of it.
Right. So I'll run through the engine. So
Okay.
it's a 1.5 turbo. We're looking at 105 kilowatts and 210 newtons of torque.
So it's got some power.
It does have that power. So first gear, second gear, you need to play around with. But
Yeah.
once you're on the third gear, believe me, it
Yeah.
moves. And then we know everyone is now saving in terms of fuel and all that stuff. So some kinds are managing 7.5, 7.1. That's for 100 kilometers.
Oh,
So
that's
we're
really
talking about city drive.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, that's very good.
All right. And with your lights and everything, it's LED lights. The good thing is with your LED lights nowadays is that they don't affect the oncoming traffic. So that's another good thing. And your Lux manual, it has the daylight running lights. The moment you put it on, your daylights
Yeah.
come on. And we also have what you would call the auto lights and the auto wipers. The moment it gets dark, your lights come on. The only thing you need to do is just to dim and brighten up your lights.
Yeah.
Yes. Then as you can see, we have a sunroof and the panoramic. So basically driving during the day, it's actually a cool place to be inside the car.
Oh, I've always wondered, what does that mean, panoramic sunroof?
So basically it opens up so you can see the view of the sky while driving.
Oh, you mean it opens up all the way,
All the way,
instead of just the
small. Yes, so
Oh,
it opens all the way to the back.
Okay.
Yes. And in terms of safety, we're looking at the ABS braking system. So basically with the Jolens, the way they've been designed is if your car detects a collision, so basically with your ABS braking system, what it does, it stops, it reduces the speed of the vehicle, but the rest of the process you have to apply your brakes. And with this one being a Lux manual, which is the high spec in manual, we have 6 airbags, 2 front, 2 cabins and 2 at the back. So it gives a total of 6 airbags.
Yeah,
So
safety all around.
Yes.
Technology has evolved.
So basically we're selling technology with these ones nowadays.
Listen, I'm really sold on this vehicle. It's very nice. It's definitely what I'm looking for in all aspects. So what is the next step?
So basically I guess I have a deal now. So price range, I'll give it to you. We're looking at 370 on this
That's
one.
not bad.
And there's some extras like your on-road fees, like if you need smash and grab,
Okay.
paint protection. Those are some of the products that I'll take you to my desk. We sit down and we can wrap it up.
Okay.
Thank you.
Perfect.
All right, you can
Let's
come to
go.
my desk. Basically now, since you said you are interested with the vehicle,
Yeah.
I'll just tell you the documents that we need, and then I'll take you to introduce you to my FNI who handle all your finance.
Okay.
So basically from your side, I'll need your 3 months bank statement, 3 months pay slip, copy ID, copy drivers, and proof of residence. And then I will send you a digital link. That is where you'll upload all your documents. Once you've done that, all your documents will go to the FNI's office. They'll handle all your finance application. And let me quickly take you and introduce you to our finance lady, that is Desiree.
Okay.
Okay,
Let's
thanks.
go.
Shred. Let's close the deal.
Morning.
Hello.
Just good luck.
Thank you. Thank you for your help.
Okay, so we're applying on the Jolian.
Yes.
Okay, I'll be looking at the luxury.
The manual one, the 6-speed.
Okay, perfect. Okay, so let's get you loaded on Sariti. Are we going to look at any additional products, or are we looking at a basic protection?
I did see that it doesn't have the tow bar. He said that we can get the tow bar as an extra.
That's correct, yes. Okay, so let's make a note for a tow bar for you. Okay, so we can start with your finance process, and we basically submit 5 minutes. We have approval, sometimes quicker, sometimes a bit longer, depending on your profile.
Yeah.
And yeah, then we need your supporting documents, which Charlton has confirmed with you already,
Yeah, he said he's going to send me the link where I can.
for the online application. It's very easy. It takes 5 minutes of your time. It's a very quick process. It's easy to complete. And yeah, it goes directly to the system with Property Act, so no one has access to your system, well, to your information.
Okay.
And as soon as we have your approval, it goes in for verification. Once your verification is done, we can discuss your rate, your installment, see if it suits your budget, depending if you want a balloon, no balloon.
Yeah.
And yeah, then we can get you into your new vehicle.
Can you tell me more about the balloon payment? How does that work?
I can most definitely. So it's the easiest way to get your installment down.
Okay.
Okay, if you are going to keep the vehicle for a short period, like less than 3 years, I would say it's not a good option. But if you are going to keep it for 3 to 5 years, I would say doing finance for 6 years, you're fine.
Okay.
Because at the time that you basically trade in your vehicle at that time, that gets settled for you. So it's basically like a deposit at the end of the term.
So it kind of helps to bring the installment down.
Yes, it brings it down significantly.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can definitely look at that.
Okay, so we're going to do a balloon payment for you. 5 years, you're happy with that?
Yes.
Okay, perfect.
What is the maximum time, months or years that you can
We've got
finance?
options depending on who we finance with. So some of the banks has got only 6 years. Some of them go up to 96 months.
Okay.
But of course, that is not advisable if you're going to keep it only for like a 3-4 year period.
Yeah, you don't want it too long.
Yeah, no, because then by the time you trade in at year 3.5, you're going to have a shortfall.
Yeah.
So if we're only going to keep it 3.5 years, then I would say let's rather stick to the 6 years.
Okay.
Okay.
That's perfect. Okay. Thank you very much. I will go and submit my documents and then we can take it from there.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.